Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
my
sir.
dears.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, can you hear me? Is my mic working?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sir.
I can hear you. Good evening. So today is your second day of triangles. Second day of your triangles. What we have seen in the day one is we understand what is triangles, right? We understand what is triangles. Are you seeing my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
What is triangles? And we understand the 6 elements of a triangle. That is 3 angles and 3 sides. And try to understand the word called congruent. Congruent or ditto, equal, identical. When you can say two figures are congruent, when they are same shape and same size. Some examples are given. This is general, right? But especially, what do you mean by congruent triangles? Same definition is applicable. But when you are bringing it to mathematics, right, we want some numerical comparison, right? So for that, we have taken the support of the 6 elements, which means when you can say two triangles are congruent, 6 elements of this triangle must be equal to corresponding 6 elements of the other triangle. Then these two triangles are
Congruent. Triangle.
If you are saying triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent, then the 3 angles means 3 corresponding angles and 3 corresponding sides must
Or
be
equal.
They are called as corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Are you clear? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So it is very clear that if I want to say this and this are ditto or congruent, then this 6 must be equal to this 6. Then later, mathematician identified that it is not necessary all 6 elements. We have to check. If we check these 3, this triangle, 3 sides of this triangle and 3 sides of this triangle are equal. Are you clear? Then you don't need to verify or you don't need to worry that whether angles are equal or not. By the divine rule, if the 3 sides are equal, then angle will be automatically equal. That comes under criteria called as SSS. Now, if I verify one side, if I verify the second side, if I verify the third side, and they are equal, can we say they are congruent? Yes. But other 3 angles, what will happen? They are automatically equal. So we call them as a corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So please remember, this criteria is going to rule the entire your studies. Very, very important. So many places in future. Then we have seen that If this angle are equal and this side is equal, this side is equal. If these three are fixed, this is automatically fixed. The length of these two sides and the angle of this, everything is fixed. You cannot change it. Are you clear? That's why this comes under called as axiom. What is that? Axiom. Means I don't know to prove it by seeing itself. It's obvious. Can I get a sir? No. Theorem means I can prove. Axiom means what? I don't know to prove it. Correct? Can I get a sir? No. My dear, if you are triangle போடுறீங்க, my dear, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and keeping 30 degree. And 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, keeping this is 30 degree. You tell me, if this is fixed between these two triangles, the third value must be fixed. Can I get a sir? No. This length equal to this length, this angle equal to this angle, right? You or me cannot change it. That's why it comes under axiom. So please remember, everyone visually accepting, but when it is coming to the problem, you guys are not happy with applying that. Please, you have to feel it. Then the third criteria is what?
Sir, SAS means?
Huh?
SAS means?
SAS means side angle side. Side angle side. Side is matching, angle is matching, and this side is matching. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
And the third is what? Two angle included side. Here you have to say what? Included angle. Here you have to say included side. So please remember, when two sides, two corresponding sides are equal, then the corresponding angle must be where? Must be included in the side. Means this angle must be middle of 2s. Can I get a sir? No. But where two angles and side, then the included side, the side can be maybe included or may not be included. It can be outside also. Why? By the divine grace, the third angle will be what? Automatically equal. So please remember, when two angles are matching, two corresponding angles are equal, side can be even outside also. This is important thing, right? For me personally, everything comes under this only. But you apply the criteria, right? When side is included, then you say ASA. When side is outside, write AAS. Then RHS is especially for what? Right angle, hypotenuse, and side, which means if two triangles are right triangles, which means one angle is 90 degree, and the hypotenuse are equal, and one side is equal, then the third side will be what? Automatically equal because of Pythagoras theorem. That's why RHS indirectly what? SSS for me. Okay, please remember these ultimate, these 5 words. Yes, 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 yeah, yes, yeah, yes, yeah, yes, RHS.
Congruous criteria once more.
My dear?
Sir, can you explain ASA congruence criterion once more?
ASA, my dear?
Yes, sir.
These 3 are fixed, means this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and this length equal to this length, which means two angle and included side of a one triangle are equal to the two angles and included side of the other triangle, then these two triangles are what? Congruent. Congruent. Are you clear? Means if I fix this, this length, this, guys, you or me cannot be changed it. Divine is taking care. Geometry is taking care, right? Geometry is taking care, right? நீங்க இத fix பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா இந்த length அப்படியே இவர் கூட ஈக்குவலா இருக்குமா? Are you clear? And this length will be equal to this. You or me cannot control it. That's what I'm saying that. Are you clear? Eventually what? 6 elements must be matched. But if these three are matched, means angle, included side are matched, I no need to worry about other three, automatically equal. So please feel it. Criteria, you are going to use this 1,000 times. You should feel it. What is the meaning of? They are all shortcuts. Instead of verifying 6 elements, this shortcuts helping me to confirm these two triangles are congruent in a quick manner. Can I get a sir? No. These are all called as, otherwise called as what? Shortcut. Can I get a sir? No. Everyone.
Yes,
Sir, shall you explain? Sorry, sir. I can't understand AAS. AAS.
AAS means if two angles and one side of a triangle are equal to two angles on one side of the other triangle, then they are automatically congruent. Are you clear? Means when two angles are matching, side is not necessary included side. It can be outside also. Is this crystal clear? Is this
Yes,
crystal?
sir.
Yes, sir.
But
but what's the difference?
remember that this side must be this. Some student, this is 3 centimeter. Okay. Instead of this, they are saying this is 3 centimeter. Sorry, you said two angles are matching and one side is matching. Are they congruent? No, that side must be corresponding side, which means what? This is between 2 and 3, third angle. So this is between 1 and 2. No, this is not corresponding side. Are you clear? So please remember, when I say that side can be outside, means here also side in the same place, not somewhere else. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Sir,
Feel
I
it.
have a doubt, sir.
Apply it. Tell me.
Sir, what is the difference between AAS and ASA, sir?
ASA is very clearly what? The side is included side. The
Yes, sir.
side is between the two equal angles. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Whereas this side is outside. Are you seeing that?
Yes,
First
sir.
angle
Yes, sir.
equal to first angle, second angle equal to second, but side is not here. Side
Yes,
is
sir.
outside. Right. Please.
Thank you, sir.
Please remember, right? With this chapter is over. Trust me, this chapter is over, right? Today we are going to solve all the examples. Right? I am going to take till 8:30. Please reserve, book your time till 8:30. So that I will explain every problem in a super way. Guys, in triangle, it is not necessary you have to do 1,000 problems. If you do the 10 problems with full understanding, you can do 1,000 problems. The ideas, approach is very important. Can I get a yes or no? I wanted everyone to memorize this statement. Everyone must memorize, right? Because many times we are saying SAS, what it's trying to say? If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of the other triangle, then two triangles are congruent. Next class, I will check everyone. Please memorize these statements. Are you clear? Are you clear? You have to, you must memorize. You write this. Some student asking, the summary is there. Do I need to write? Please write it. Write it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Doubt. Say yes. Yes, yes. 5 criteria, you should be crystal clear. Yes. Yes, RHS. These are the things going to rule the entire things. Manish, you raised your hand. Tell me.
Sir, I have a question actually.
Tell me.
Sir, tomorrow do we have a test actually?
Yeah, I think I messaged, right? Not from triangles, my dear. Triangle will take another 3 more classes. It's lines and angles. I think we planned, right? Last Sunday itself we planned, right? This Sunday, you are going to have lines and angles.
Sir, but actually I don't think I'll be able to write the test because from Monday I have my exam, sir. I need to prepare for that.
Okay, so genuine reason, it's okay, but you have to study. So maybe after your exam, you take the test. Okay. So guys, after exam, you can take the test. The problem is correction, right? One student, one time take correction is very difficult, but you can take the test. But correction may not be possible. I am saying that if you are taking late, you can take the test. After that, you do a self-correction or just share the solution with your parents or brother, right? Just ask them with the solution, ask them correct your paper and give the mark. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, I'm going to start today's class, lecture number 2. Everyone, ready? Ready?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So, totally, the chapter needs 22 periods. How many periods? 22 periods. I'll just copy paste, my dear. Just copy paste your syllabus. Yes, this is your syllabus. So, they included all the criteria. Apart from that, what they have included? 2 theorems, correct? Can I get a yes or no? That's all. That's all. That's all you are, right? So we have seen 5 criteria, but your syllabus included SAS, AS, ASA, SSS, RHS. Can you tell me which criteria your textbook or your syllabus is not included?
Yes, sir.
AS not included, but indirectly I told you. How many of you remember? AAS also ASA, okay? Because both are same, because third angle is going to be equal, correct? So please remember this, okay? So ellarum beautiful, right? Pannino, saringla. So idu mantra madri mind lo vechikunnora, my dear. Mantra da, right? This is a mantra, right? So all the problems, there is a standard rule. All the problem, there is a standard rule. So approach or steps. Approach. ROACH. Approach to the problems. Or steps. Standard steps are this one. Everywhere, this is not just one chapter. The same thing is going to be applied in triangles. Second, next is what? Quadrilaterals. Then what do you have?
Sir, circle.
All the 3 chapters, this is the one. Can I get a or no? So please remember this. Identify what to prove. Identify the what are the identify the congruent triangle. Which 2 triangles are congruent according to which criteria? When I say criteria, what are they? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
ASA, RHS.
Yes.
RHS.
RHS.
Right? Adha, my dear. Right? If you understand this mantra, right, rule in your life, every problem is going to be easy, my dear. But objective must be clear. What to prove? What to triangle? According to which criteria? What is my CPCT? That's all, my dear. That's all. 3 chapters having one way. That's all. 3 steps. These steps are going to be used in these 3 chapters. Pakka or not? Everyone. Pakka or not?
Yes, sir.
No doubts? No
No,
doubts?
sir. No, sir.
Before entering into the chapter, I wanted to give you some important things, which are 4 centers of a triangle. What are they? 4
4 centers of the triangle.
centers of a triangle. Every triangle has a 4 center. Triangle center இருக்குதா my dear? Circle center இருக்கு சார். அது என்ன சார் triangle center? ஒரு ஜெனரலா டவுட் வருமே. வருமா வரலையா?
Yes, sir.
வருதா வரலையா? triangle எப்படி சார் சென்டர் இருக்கும்? இப்படி ஒரு triangle கொடுக்குறோம் my dear. குட்டியா போட்டுக்கலாமா? கொஞ்சம் small. Yes, agree with me. கொஞ்சம் small. Because I want 4 centers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you happy with the online classes? Many of the students asking, many of the parents are asking, mathematics teaching through online, it is very difficult. Or understanding through online is very difficult. After coming to me, all your assumption is wrong, right? Yes or no? It is not true. Online is the best platform. First center is, if you draw a median, what do you mean by median? தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு median என்ன? What do you mean by median? Can you repeat?
Sir, the center of the triangle.
Listen carefully. Line drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite edge. Bolo? A line or line segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Are you crystal clear? When I say midpoint, these two are equal. Pakka or not? Pakka or not?
Sir, I can't understand. Sir.
From a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Can you tell me what is the midpoint? Somewhere here, approximately? Yes. Yes. So from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called as median. Please. Ivlo emotional, ivlo kathila solitara matanga, my dear. Right, please. If you are not learning now, எப்போ போய் லேர்ன் பண்ண போறீங்க? I really don't know. Are you all awake? தூங்குறீங்களா எல்லாரும்? எல்லாம் முடிச்சிருக்கீங்களா? தூங்கிட்டீங்களா?
Awake, sir. Awake, sir.
Ultimately, I am teaching. Please. So these are all called as what? Medians. Sir, how many medians I can draw? You can draw 3 medians, correct? Because from this vertex to one median, from this vertex to second median, I can draw one more median. It must pass us through this. Now, this is called as point of intersection. What is that? This point is called as point of
intersection.
Point of intersection.
Point of intersection is called as intersection. Point of intersection of the median is called as what? Solunga?
Center.
Center of triangle.
Center.
Centroid. This is one center. So I said 4 center. Are you clear? So center 1 is what? Centroid. Everyone crystal clear? Everyone crystal clear? Median.
Sir, can you explain it once again?
Point of intersection of the median is called as centroid.
Okay.
What is median? Again, you want me to repeat? Draw a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side.
Yes,
Point
sir.
of intersection of the median is called as centroid. Second one is you are going to draw a perpendicular. So a line drawn from a vertex which is perpendicular to the opposite side. Are you crystal clear? Perpendicular to the opposite side. Perpendicular. It is not 90. You see here, it is 90, 90, 90. Somewhere it will come in here. Can I get a sir? No. Can I get a sir? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular, the other word is what? Anyone can tell me?
Altitude.
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 Altitude. So point of intersection of the altitude is called as?
Ortho.
Excellent. Who said? Who said?
Sir, Shyam, sir.
ஷியாம் காலையில அட்டென்ட் பண்ணீங்க கரெக்ட்டுங்களா?
Sir, நான் போயிட்டேன், sir.
இல்ல இந்த சென்டர் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணும்போது அட்டென்ட் பண்ணீங்க கரெக்ட்டுங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Yes, yes. But at least remembering. Yes, good. My dear, then what we can do, there is something called angle bisector. What do you mean by angle bisector? Means a line bisect the given angle. What do you mean by bisect the given angle? Please remember, if you have 60 degree here, consider this line is splitting this and this as 30, 30. Are you clear? So in the line segment, என்னெல்லாம் வேலை பண்ணுது பாருங்க. Median na vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Perpendicular na vertex to the perpendicular to the opposite side. Angle bisector. This is called as what? Angle bisector means it is not worrying about the opposite side. It is just bisect the given angle. It is bisect the given angle. Maybe one more. Are you seeing that? It is bisect the given angle. So this is one angle bisector. This is one angle bisector. So this is called as what? Angle bisectors. Okay, angle bisectors. Remember, point of intersection of angle bisector is called as incenter. What is that?
Incenter.
Everyone must memorize. It is not your Johnny, yes, Papa. Please remember. Nonsense poem, right? It is not. It is ultimate. You have to memorize. Intersection of median, centroid, intersection of altitude, orthocenter, intersection of angle bisector is incenter. There is one more center. Instead of drawn from a vertex, this all three, if you observe that it's all drawn from a vertex. Now, you are going to draw the perpendicular bisector. Listen carefully. Perpendicular bisector means it is a perpendicular to this side. Also, this is bisect. Means this these two halves are equal, and this must be a perpendicular. Are you clear? This is called as what? Perpendicular bisect. Perpendicular bisect. If you draw one more perpendicular bisector, maybe from here. What is the condition? It must be a perpendicular. Also, it is divides into two equal. Means it's passing through the midpoint. Right? Perpendicular bisector means two condition. It must be perpendicular to this. Also, this must be a midpoint of this, which means this length equal to this length. Follow up on முடியுதுங்களா? முடியுதா? Are you able to follow me?
I can't understand.
Pass through vertex, sir.
Huh?
The line won't pass through vertex.
It is not necessary. It can pass through. It is not necessary. Our focus is the line must be what? Perpendicular. Also must be midpoint. Bisect. So that's why it's called as, listen. Srinivas sister, listen. என்ன புரியலங்க இங்க. இதுக்கு மேல என்ன எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க? ஒரு சைடு இருக்குது, அதுக்கு ஒரு பெர்பெண்டிகுலர் லைன், பெர்பெண்டிகுலரா 1000 லைன் போடலாம். கரெக்ட்? There is one line which is passing through midpoint. Are you clear? தெரியலீங்களா என்ன சொல்றேன்னு? ஒரு சைடுக்கு you can draw 1000 perpendicular lines. But what I said, that must be a perpendicular, also a bisector, which means what? It must pass through the midpoint. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Clear or not? See, Srinivas sister, are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, don't simply say, I don't understand. That is not a right way. It will hurt me a lot. Right. Sir, this place, I understand perpendicular bisector. But what it's doing? Something you specific, right? So intersection of the perpendicular bisector is called as what?
Circumcenter.
Everyone memorize this. It's going to help you not only for 9th standard, everywhere, even IIT level exams, these 4 centers are ruling you.
Sir,
Correct?
sir,
Memorize பண்ணிக்கிடுவீங்களா? Intersection of medians, point of intersection of median centroid, point of intersection of altitude orthocenter, point of intersection of angle bisector is called as incenter, point of intersection of perpendicular bisector is called as circumcenter.
sir,
Tell me.
can you explain the last one, sir?
This is the one.
Yes, sir.
This is called as perpendicular bisector.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by perpendicular bisector? If you line put through, what do you mean by perpendicular bisector? You draw a line which is perpendicular for this. Also, it should bisect. Means it is cut into 2 equal half. You tell me I can draw 1000 perpendicular, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
which one is cutting exactly 2 half? Mean which one is passing through midpoint? Only one, na?
Yes, sir.
So for this line, this is a perpendicular bisector. Why it is perpendicular? Also, it is bisecting. So you can draw perpendicular bisector for this side. You can draw perpendicular bisector for this side. Both are intersecting at a point which is called as circumcenter. Everyone crystal clear or not? You watch this recording. நீங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம் இந்த ரெக்கார்டிங்க வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் சார் எவ்வளவு எஃபோர்ட் எடுத்து எவ்வளவு டைம் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு தெரியும். Can I get a sir? No. Someone watching my recording, please. எவ்வளவு எனர்ஜி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, எவ்வளவு டைம் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, கொஞ்சம் அட்டென்ஷன் இங்க வைக்கணும். சரிங்களா? Can I get a sir? No. அட்டென்ஷனை இங்கே நம்ம கூட வைக்கணும் எல்லாரும். ஓகேங்களா?
Okay, sir.
So this 4 centers is going to rule your what? Entire maths, entire geometry. Very beautiful things. Sir, is it there in our NCERT? Don't ask. Your NCERT not covers everything beautifully. Okay. Don't ask me that question. Right? Our objective is learning. Right? Our objective is learning. Not just making your NCERT every part is clear. உங்களுக்கு NCERT மட்டும் தான் வேணுமா? You want only NCERT? You don't want to learn anything? You want a complete learning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So learn whatever I am teaching, okay? Because I understand your future. Now we are going to prove 2 important theorems. Everyone knows that theorem means there are 6 important headings. ஞாபகம் இருக்குதா? ஞாபகம் இருக்குதா? There are 6 important headings. What are 6 important headings? It's a statement, diagram, given, to prove, construction, prove. Okay. By the way, new students, come friend. I just wanted to ask. Jay Aditya, you are asking about polynomials, right? You asked now.
Yes, sir.
What? Oh, you got the answer or not? Even I have uploaded the solutions.
Where, sir?
It is there na NCERT solution or இதே போட்டு upload பண்ணிருக்கேனே. பார்க்கலையா?
No, sir. I'll check, sir.
அதான் Google Classroom use பண்ணணும், my dear. You are not looking to how beautifully our Google Classrooms are aligned. Correct? So, guys, I'll try to solve all your exercise question also. Right? No need to worry. But polynomial, whether I have solved everything, I don't remember. Okay, maybe I have solved. But there are 6 lecturers. But if you have a doubt on that, NCERT solutions. Okay, it is not uploaded. I will ask my assistant to upload today itself. Okay. right? You will get all the solutions, but you will get solution everywhere, right? But what I'm saying that watch our recording, right? It will give you a crystal clear understanding, then start solving the problems, right? So new students, are you there? Any new students? First time attending. I think some new student attending in the morning. Are you there now? No. Veda, this is your first class? No, right? Why Veda less than 3? I didn't understand. Veda, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by Veda less than 3?
Sir, I think.
Huh?
No, sir, I think.
No, any reason is there, you can share with us, because it's more on what?
No, sir.
So, guys, please, ultimate things we are teaching, right? Nowhere it's clearly mentioned, oh, this is 6 headings. Every statement including condition, conclusion. The condition is become you are given, the conclusion becomes to prove. Only when you understand this in a beautiful way, you can apply in your 9th mathematics, 10th mathematics, 11th, 12th, everywhere. You are going to prove 100 theorems, 1000 theorems. All the theorem having this 6 headings. Are you clear? If you are learning now, that's what I'm saying, that now I'm not teaching just for 9th standard. I'm giving a clear structure, how the theorem is going to be, what you are going to prove, how to write the steps. Are you clear? Please travel along with me.
Yes, sir.
Ultimate things you are learning in your life. But you are missed this opportunity. Trust me, to learn this chapter is very, 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 very difficult. Triangle, such a difficult chapter. If you understand, if you don't understand it. Such a easy chapter if you understand it. After learning from me, 90% of students, they find it's very easy. 10% of students still they find difficult because of you guys are not giving attention to my classes. Doing something else, nonsense work given by the schools. 10 hours you are already wasting in your schools, my dear. Please, 1 hour you give to me, correct? Per week 3 hours தான கொடுக்குறீங்க. 3 week max, 3 week science. 6 hours lo unga portion முடிச்சு கொடுக்குறேன் by September. Can I get a sir no? எவ்வளவு கம்மியான நேரத்துல எவ்வளவு நிறைய கொடுக்குறோம், ரியலைஸ் பண்றீங்களா இல்லைங்களா? I am giving higher value. Your value per minute is really high. Value per minute is really high. Please remember that you are investing. This is something you have to inform to your parents. Yes, ma, I am putting only 3 hours per week, but what I am learning from this institute, even 30 hours you are putting. அப்படிதானங்க? 30 hours போடுறீங்களா ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு? Per day 10 hours, including your travel. Let it be. So on an average, you are splitting this, right? 60 hours. 20 hours minimum you are putting. 20 hours max, 20 hours science, remaining 20 hours for other subjects. So please, here if you put 3 hours for online classes, 3 hours for copying the notes. Even today I received a call from some of the parents saying that my daughter is struggling to copy the notes. She doesn't have a time. Please, if you plan that 1 hour tomorrow, you can copy my notes into your notebook, right? We are sharing the notes very systematically. Can I get a sir? No. Only very few online classes teacher sharing the notes very beautifully. Can I get a sir? நீங்களும் attend பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. முடிஞ்ச chapter class notes எத்தனை class ஸ்கூல்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க my dear? How many schools already shared all the class notes? Our class notes are pakkana lecturer 1, lecturer 2. ஆமாவா இல்லைங்களா? Are you using it or not properly?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Very clear. If you start copying into your notebook, very clear. Please use this opportunity. All my objective is, after coming to me, you feel that maths is no more difficult chapter. Maths பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு வயர்ல ஒரு ஸ்டொமக்ல ஒரு ரியாக்ஷன் நடக்கும்ல, அது நடக்க கூடாது. நிறைய பேருக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்குமே. I told you in the last class, உங்க கிளாஸ் சொன்னா இல்ல வேற கிளாஸ் சொன்னா? I think I said to some other class or your class. Some reaction is happening in your stomach, right? Particularly before the exam or going for math exam. Why that is happening? You feel that it's more difficult. But after coming to me, you should feel that it's really easy. You have to do same work. No, much more than what you are doing. But you should enjoy with the process. Are you clear? I am not saying that after coming to me, you no need to do. You simply learn here and reduce your number of time, number of hours for practice. No, you have to do much more than what you did already. But the difference is, you did that 1 hour work with full stress. Now you do the same thing, even much more, 2 hours with a full enjoyment. Right? So doing maths is a joyful process or painful process. That is what my question. Right? After coming to me, your pain should convert into joy. Nadakuma nadakada? Will it happen or not?
Yes, sir.
Please. Initially, it is difficult. Later, yes. So, are you ready? First theorem. Are you ready? You ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your theorem number 1. Yes. What is that? Angle opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal. Very important theorem. Very important theorem. This is a diagram. This statement. Next is what? Next is what? After statement, what is that? Next is what? Diagram. Right. So you have to draw the diagram. You just mark it as A, B, C. Now, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. What is the condition? What is the conclusion? What is the condition is because you should know what is the condition, what is the conclusion. Right? Condition is given, conclusion is something I need to prove. Equal side is the condition. Can I get a yes or no? So if I take it as AB, AC are equal. Equal side is the condition given. What I need to prove? Opposite angles are equal. Means the opposite angle of AC, where it is? Here, which is, I can call it as theta 1. Or you can say angle B. And the angle opposite to this side is what? This angle. Crystal clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Not. But I don't know whether these two angles are equal or not. I don't know they are equal or not. So, idhula or doubt illingle. Sir, why you are putting one arc, two arc? I don't know they are equal or not. I am purposefully putting this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Now, next third heading is what? Third heading is what? Given. I told you the condition in the statement is called as given. Condition is what? In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. Then what I need to prove? To prove. Right?
AB
to
is
prove.
equal to AC.
I need to prove conclusion. But what I need to prove? What I need to prove? If equal side means, then it will be equal angles, which means angle B equal to angle C. Can I get a yes or no? This is given. This is, I need to prove it. Mean this angle equal to this angle. Is this crystal clear?
Easy, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is the thing?
Yes, sir.
Construction.
Construction is optional. Sometime it is not needed, sometime it's needed. I am saying that yes, it's needed. Construction. Construction. I am going to draw a angle bisector. Are you clear what I am going to draw? What I am going to draw? Angle bisector. You understand now why I explained all the things already. What do you mean by angle bisector? Last one, yes or no? What this angle bisector will do? It will bisect the given angle, which means if I say theta 1 and this is theta 2, these two are what? These two are what?
Equal.
Equal. So, what you can say? I can call it as D. What you can say? Draw angle bisector of angle A. Draw angle bisector AD of which angle? This AD is angle bisector of which angle?
Angle.
A. Which implies theta 1 equal to theta 2. Agree with me? Agree with me? Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Inch, kilometer, my dear. Correct. If you observe it carefully, super hectic. What is the last heading?
Proof.
What is the last heading? Proof. I told you, if I want to prove anything, what is the standard steps? Identify what to prove. Identify which two congruent triangles are, according to which criteria, and apply CPCT. Prove what is needed. That's all. Are you clear? So, I have to prove this angle equal to this angle. So, if I want to prove this angle equal to this angle, which two triangle I have to take? This triangle and this triangle are congruent. I have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. According to which criteria? This is what is very important. This is what, according to which criteria? You have of 5 to understand RHS. RHS na right triangle irukonu, my dear. Right triangle irukku. You are saying that triangle? No.
Angle.
No, this is not right triangle. Purposefully I draw. I didn't say it is altitude. Altitude na sonne. Have I said this is altitude? No, right? It is an angle bisect. So this is bisect the angle. Bolo, which criteria I can take?
ASA.
ASA criteria.
Sir, ASA
criteria, sir.
ASA criteria. No?
Yes, yes, sir.
Side, angle,
Angle, side.
side, angle, side. Are you clear, my dear?
Yes, sir.
In the triangle, congruent. Why? In this triangle, this side equal to this side and this triangle, this. These two are equal. Number 1. That's why indicated by single line. And this angle equal to this angle, it is according to your construction. And this side is what, my dear? It's a common side. Correct. This side is coming in both the triangles. Are you clear?
Yes.
So, everyone crystal clear. Identify which two triangle you have to prove congruent. According to which criteria? Apply CPCT. 3 golden steps. 3 golden steps. Identify which two triangles? These two triangles, right? According to which criteria? Yes.
Yes.
SAS criteria.
முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. அவ்வளவுதான். So I want to say AB equal to AC. It is given. It is given. பாருங்க இங்கே இருக்குது givenல இருக்கு. And I can say what? Theta 1 equal to theta 2. It is cover construction. Can I get a yes or no? It is extra construction. You made it. Then AD equal to AD, which is common side. Are you clear? So side, angle, side. Because of that triangle below ABD, or you can say BDA and CDA below triangle BDA. You can write ABD also, but you have to write the same thing. Salary ABD, maybe rhythm markamla. ABD, you have the same order. ACD. Are you clear? Congruent to triangle ACD. Which criteria? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Any doubt? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now, you understand which two triangle I have to prove? According to which criteria is over. Finally, you have to apply CPCT. Means, moment you understand that these are fixed, now this chota paya equal to this chota paya, BD equal to CD. And what is that one more? And this angle equal to this angle. These two angles are equal. And this angle equal to this angle. There are three results you are getting by the divine. Can I get a yes or no? Your divine is giving how many results now? 3 results. 3 results. What are they? These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. And this BD equal to CD. உங்களுக்கு 3 result கிடைச்சிருச்சு. But I want to prove only this equal to this. Out of 3, what I need to prove? Angle B equal to
angle C.
Which is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Supra illingla, guys. Apply CPCT, prove what is needed. Supra illingla. Super or not?
Super, sir.
சந்தோஷமா சொல்லுங்க my dear. எல்லாரும் சந்தோஷமா. எவ்வளவு பியூட்டிஃபுல், எவ்வளவு இன்ச் பை இன்ச். தியரமே நிறைய ஸ்கூல்ல ப்ரூவ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க மை. கரெக்ட்.
Sir.
தியரமே ப்ரூவ் பண்ணலன்னா அப்புறம் 6 ஹெட்டிங்ஸ் எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்கும்? கரெக்ட்.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I have to go outside now.
You have to go outside?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can watch the recording.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
My dear,
When will you take the class?
till 8:30. I think I already messaged, right? Guys, next we are going to see ulta theorem. Ulta theorem means what? Converse theorem. The condition and conclusion interchange. What is that? If equal side, then equal angles. Ulta is what? If equal angles, then it is equal sides. Are you crystal clear? So can you change this ulta? Yaar ready up ulta matringa? Who is ready? Who is ready? அப்படியே அது உல்டாவா மாத்தணும்.
Sides are opposite to equal angles of an isosceles triangle.
Isosceles சொல்லக்கூடாது. You should not say isosceles. You accept this.
Is set equal if the opposite angles are equal.
Sides opposite to the equal angles of a triangle are equal. Are you clear? Are you clear? Angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal. Ulta is side opposite to the equal angles are equal. Any doubts? Any doubts? Supra illingla? Varudha varlingla ella? Super or not?
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat it?
Yes, I am going to write that. What is that? The side opposite to the equal angles of a triangle are equal. Super or not? Super or not? Sir, any changes in the diagram, sir? Any changes? என்ன பண்ண போறேன் இதுல என்ன changes அப்படியே copy paste அடிச்சு change பண்ணட்டா so that you will understand how the ulta theorem can be proved. Now the thing is that you don't know these sides are equal. Are you clear? But these two are equal. It is given, correct? Because equal angles. So in triangle ABC, what I need to say? Angle B equal to angle C. Can I get a yes or no? Can I get a yes or no? This is given. And what I need to prove? What I need to prove? What I need to prove? Side opposite to the equal angles are equal. So I have to say that AB equal to AC. Are you clear? Inge abde ulta va mari theriyudingla? Yes. Are you finding the ulta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now construction same, my dear. Same construction will work. Theta 1 equal to theta 2. Now proof எடுத்துக்கலாம். First, இது என்ன criteria? Same தான். I want to prove these two triangles are congruent. According to which criteria? Whether SAS will work? No, I don't know this side. Which criteria is going to work? Which
Yeah.
criteria is? Bola, which criteria is going to work?
Yes, yes, sir.
A,
Yes, yes.
A, yes. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes.
இங்க நீங்க என்ன மாத்திரணும் just in the given my dear ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல my dear this given will come here angle B equal to angle C theta 1 equal to theta 2 construction AD is common yes now this and this are this but the criteria have change பண்ணனும் can I get a sir no which criteria
Yes.
and what is your CPCT now you tell me there are three results this side equal to this side and this angle equal to this angle BD equal to CD but எனக்கு மூணுல எந்த ரிசல்ட் மட்டும் தான் வேணும் I just wanted to say AC first two letter equal to first two letter second two letter equal to second two letter first letter third letter equal to first letter third letter super or not according to what you need to prove take that CPCT. Every problem will be having the same thing. Happy or not? Happy or not?
Yes, sir.
Tired, Aicha? Tired? Next half an hour, irka mudiyuma? 25 minutes. Ungalala stay panna mudiyuma? Will it possible? Will it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, so that you will be able to, what I can say, you'll be able to complete this, right?
1 minute, sir.
What, my dear?
Can you show last side 1 second?
Yep. Yes. Last slide. This
Yes.
slide. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Everyone knows that where to copy this. Theriyalla. You will get all these notes under Google Drive. The Google Drive link available in Google Classroom. Is there or not? Guys, I always think that how can I make your work smart, make it very easy, right? If you see that our Google Classroom is unique in the country, எங்கயாவது Google Classroom நோட்ஸ்ல Google Driveல போட்டு Google Drive லிங்க Google Classroomல கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. Just to tell me any one of the school, any one of the institute. Moment I understand your pain point, right? Oh, student will struggle not to get the notes. They will ask me, sir, where is the notes? Even I can say Google Drive link. But what will happen? Every time you will ask. So that's why you put Google Drive link also in Google Classroom. So which means what? Google Classroom is single point of contact to your notes, recording, worksheet, and test. Super or not? Super or not?
Superb, sir.
Problem solve பண்ணலாமா? 8 examples are there. Totally how many examples? 8 examples. The 8 examples, so right? If you just travel along with me, you can do the wonders, my dear. Please, please travel along with me. Will you travel? Yes. 8 example, my dear, will do the wonders, right? With that, chapter is over, right? All the examples are over. Are you seeing example number 1? Bolo, bolo, bolo.
Yes, sir.
Examples 1. Yes. Yes. 1 minute. Guys, 1 minute. Everyone start trying. Just try that. In what way I can prove that AOD, BOC are congruent? Just try that. Think pandringla? Think pandringla?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I got the answer, sir.
Which criteria? Because they themselves said the which
Criteria, sir. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
SAS criteria, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And also, angle AOD and BOC is a pair of vertically opposite angles, sir.
Excellent. You have done a great job, right? Ellar working la, super lingla.
Yes.
Yes. So your proof starts. So OA equal to OB given, OD equal to OC given. So this equal to this, and this equal to this. This is given, and these two angles are equal. So it's very clear according to which criteria they are congruent. According to which criteria they are congruent.
Yes, yes, side angle side.
Side angle side. Subralingla. Side angle side. 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 Maybe I can put this angle inside so that you will understand this in a better way. You can write this way also, not an issue. Just I'm making you guys understand. What is that? Side angle. Then what? Side. Are you crystal clear? Side, angle, side. So AOD congruent to BOC. It's proved. Number 1 proved. Now how to prove AD is parallel to BC? Directly you don't have CPCT, na? Your CPCT will say what? This angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and these two sides are equal. Right? But it is not saying anything about parallel. This is the time you are going to use your lines and angles, the theorem, what you have learned. If I prove this angle equal to this angle, then it is automatically what? These two lines must be parallel. Why? If the alternate angles are equal, then these two lines must be what? Parallel. Parallel. This is transversal, my dear, right? And these two angles are what? Alternate angles. And if they are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. If the alternate angles are equal, ulta is what? If the alternate angles are equal, then these two lines must be parallel, my dear. So that is what I'm going to use a ulta result. Ulta result what? Angle below. Angle OAD below angle OAD is equal to what? OBC. 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 OBC.
OBC, sir.
Yes. OAD equal to OBC. Are you crystal clear? PAD equal to C, which is CPCT, which means alternate angles are equal. If the alternate angles are equal, AD must be parallel to super or not? Super or not?
Super, sir.
Or not? Yes or no, guys? Everyone crystal clear how to approach this problem. After this class, enjoy pani pannunga, my dear. After this class, do this problem with a full enjoyment, right? Enjoy pani pannano. That's what my aim, right? You should not feel that it's a difficult question. You should feel that they are all very easy. Very easy. Next question, Palama. Shall we go to the next question? Yes. Yes. என்னாச்சு தூங்கிட்டீங்களா? Proceed பண்ணலாமா இல்ல next class பார்க்கலாமா?
Question பண்ணலாம், sir.
We have 8 examples. Okay. So anyhow, time almost 8:15. So what I'll do, we can continue this. Okay. I can give this as a homework. Can you do all 8 examples as a homework? I can say chapter is over. Right. In the next class, I will do all the 8 examples. Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
homework.
Okay, sir.
So first you are copy the class
As notes.
and all 8 examples and try totally you are having 3 exercise. How many exercise? 7.1 try exercise. I can do this problem, but almost your energy is out. So if I do also, you may think that, it is very hard. So I'll do all the examples in the next class. By the way, chapter over. Can I get a sir? No, chapter over. Now we have to understand how much you understand the chapter in a deep way by solving all the examples, all the exercise. You can prove yourself. Yes, I understand the concept. This match 50%, 60%. Right, my dear? So by the way, everyone please register right in the Google form. This weekend, we are going to alter our Google Classroom and Google form. Sorry, WhatsApp group according to the student who enrolled, because there are students who didn't join, but they are in our Google Classroom. So we are going to alter our things, audit, and we have to retain. So please don't forget to update the Google form. Even new student, right? Everyone receive the message now, update the Google form. So please update the link. You already registered, it will say your response is already registered, right? Also, after your every payment, you click on that link and same thing will happen. You already responded. But below that, you have an option called edit your response. Click on that. And if you scroll down in the Google form, and the last place you will get, what you will see? Amount paid, please. Saringla, konja help panna mudiyuma? Everyone, will you help me?
Yes,
Because
sir.
there is no separate team, my dear. Everything I am handling, right? I and ma'am only handling. So your updates will help me. Saringla, it won't take much time, my dear. Just, this is something you can do. Why you are disturbing your parents, right? If you scroll down, it is very clear how much amount you paid, right? After you paid, right? Just update here. You just mention first installment, this amount, and with a date. Are you clear? Just mention. And new student, just mention trial. That's all. Are you clear? And click on submit. It won't take more than 2 minutes, my dear. Please. Because this is the only source finally we have for track your payments and your details. So please. And whatever mobile number, because some student is giving your mothers and fathers and yours. Ideally, I wanted only one. But since you are giving 3 numbers, I want put comma, right? Put your first number, comma, second number, comma, third number. Can you do it? So that I will understand all the 3 numbers of yours. So according to Google form only, we are going to retain the students in our WhatsApp broadcast. So please, and also in our Google Classroom. So இங்க இருக்க நேம் எனக்கு Google Classroomல ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகணும் my dear. சரிங்களா? சரிங்களா? Are you clear? Understand?
Yes,
No
sir.
other way to track everything, my dear. I don't have time to call everyone. So Google Classroom is the ultimate source. So please. So here 83 students are here, but really I don't know. Only effectively 50 students are there. So remaining students, I have to remove that. That's the reason I'm saying that. Please, I have to see your name, right? Instead of your parents' name. It's very difficult to trace, right? Who are all our students, right? So I hope you understand. Wish you all the very best. We will meet again on Tuesday's class, right? Monday you'll be having your science class, right? And by the way, so 1 minute, just 1 minute, I'll stop the recording.